Drum filter, 5 km for an hour. Together with drum included control box and pump. Pipe connection for pump, lead, install grid mesh, stainless steel nozzles, motor reductor, inside sensor you can see, and space sensor inside in kit to include. Okay, now open control box. Yes, have light. This means power have. Turn right. You can see work. Motor reductor. Everything okay. Yes. Stop and open left. Left work motor reductor and pump. This manual open, next close, and I show how work automatical service. Yes, inside have sensor I push up and all system you can see open. All system open. Drum do 1.5 round and stop. Now I open again. I check system. Yes, everything work. Okay, drum ready to send to customer from Philippines. Okay, thank you.